progressing with a garden restoration project, revitalizing and shaping large topiary boxwood, which is a signature style of Penelope Hobhouse, British designer who laid out and designed this about 30 years ago. So these key plants creating a cross axis as you enter the pool, and a beautiful silhouette when you're at the pool looking back at the house, which is at my back. So these plants on this end had become quite large and out of scale with the ones to the right out of sight. So this project gradually brought those into scale. There's further refinement needed, but the first stage